All right, I pulled over a second, show you a couple trades. Yesterday I didn't do so good. Meaning, why didn't I do so good? It's because occasionally a stubborn spirit comes over me and I just want to do my own thing, you know, like I know it all or something. So that happens occasionally, and you get in the markets, you get clobbered. So I gave back a good chunk of cash yesterday, over $20,000. All right, maybe 25. I think it was over 25,000. So that really stunk. I looked at it. My process was telling me what to do. It's weird. Sometimes you'll just decide you know what to do correctly, but you decide to do something else. Isn't that weird how humans do that? Anyway, I got it together. I got back on there, started trading today. I'll show you what I've done. Okay, here's a trade. I took two positions. I took some right here at this red dot, the red dot printed on there. Then I took another one, some more right there. So I have 10 units. If you look up near the top left, short 10, playing it, it's rolling over really nice, okay? And I do have an order down here because I thought I'd be driving at 318. 10 more cents. Go ahead and clip me out. Now I see that right now. I'm going to leave it on there, show you what happens. So there's 12,000 currently. Let's see if they hit it. Really close. This is nice how you can put your automatic orders in there, so if you're driving or at work doing something, you can have it do it. Look, they know my order's there. Okay? Interesting. They know my order's there. Okay, we'll see. We're going to leave this one going, all right? So this one's at 12,000, all right? We'll go to the next one, see what it's doing. This one I took a couple trades at these two red dots right around here and right around there, okay, where my crosshairs are. 7,200 on this one, nice. 7,400. Let me go back, look at my positions, my nice little tab. 18, 19,000. So traded incorrectly yesterday. If you're a trader and you're losing money and you don't know why, what you're doing wrong, that's a problem. I know exactly what I did wrong yesterday. I just willfully was what they call disobedient. I just didn't want to do it. Okay, and I had to pay for it. Well, nice thing about if you have a method that's so solid, very next day I wake up, I flip open my phone, I'm ready to trade, I take my trades, I've nearly got all that money back already today. That's why I can consistently be net positive. So anyway, just wanted to show you that once in a while, when you go to trade too, as you learn, you know, sometimes you'll be receptive. You'll listen to me or somebody. We can give you some instruction. You'll accept it, and you'll go with it. You'll do it. There's other times, though, you'll just want to think you're the smartest cat in town and do your own thing. In trading, you usually pay for that. Okay, so it still happens to me even after all these years. Occasionally, I'll want to do my own thing. So thankfully I've got a process, been doing the same process for over 20-something years now, and that's why I can step right back in there and recapture from my mistakes. So anyway, I wanted to mention this. You know, there's people that when they're coming to my website, they're wondering, is this guy for real? Is he shooting it straight? Is he telling the truth? Is he really profitable? Blah, all that stuff. Well, I happen to be looking for my website, something on the web yesterday, and I seen this place that said, I think it was Top FX or Top Forex Trader or something like that. It was a review site. So I said, look at that. Someone's going to say something about me. So I looked at it. It was all negative, really negative. It was terrible. And so I actually replied. I was just in the mood. I said, I'm going to reply to this. I know it's stupid, but I'm going to do it. I replied. And so one thing is, I wonder if they would even show my reply on their website, okay? But I volunteered to, if this person who did the review it looked like kind of like one of those sites where they just want to try to sell ads and stuff. But anyway, I offered if they were willing, and they were willing to do a screen share with me so I could record it, so I could share it with the public, I would actually let them, me and them, log into my real live trading account to show all of my trades and my results. So, you know, that's it. And there you go. That order got filled. You see that? So there you go. It filled. That one will go away. The bottom one there will go away, I think. Oh, hold on. I did something wrong. I must have only had 2 in there. That's what I did. I only had 2 in there. I need to get rid of the other 8. Okay. That's what happened. I'm going to go ahead and take that now. Here, I can go to this. I'll go to this tab here, my positions tab. I can go to the bottom one right there. I can hit that, X, send it, and there you go, knocked it out. Actually got a little better order on that, okay? Good. I'm going to go ahead and close this one because it's close enough for me. I already know what my process was telling me. There you go. So locked in around 18,000. All right, but anyway, so I replied to that guy's comments, volunteered to go let us log into my real live account, show them the results. Normally I don't do that because I take it like this. If someone's not going to believe me what I'm saying on my website, then even if I go show them my real live account and take the time to do that, if they didn't believe me before, then why would they even believe me showing them that? They would think I fabricated that, and you know, it's just like an endless nonsense thing. But I thought, okay, I'm going to do it. So another thing I noticed yesterday, so be careful about review sites. Hopefully you got the gift of discernment. You make up your own mind. If you can't make up your own mind, that's problematic. Meaning if you depend on other people to help you make up your mind, unless it's some really good counsel people that you know who you're dealing with, that would be risky. The next thing I wanted to mention is there's places that try to act like they're selling my course. And it's $100, $115, all these weird sites. I even seen one that had Amazon in the name, like, oh, it's, you know, something from Amazon. My site, my information is only available from me at thetradingtemplate.com. So please don't be someone who says, oh, look, I can get it for $100, and you do it. Now you just got your credit card, your information, identity stolen and all that. So try not to fall for that if you can help it. All right. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you very much for watching. I'm here to help anytime I can. Thank you.